Hi guys, it's Shannon here from houseimprovements.com, and the day we've been finally waiting for, day 20. We're gonna finish up this bathroom finally. It's looking pretty good. It's been used here for a couple days, and really all I have left to do is install the toilet. So I'm gonna quickly do that and then come back and we'll do a little wrap up and give you a look at the final project. So we're finally all wrapped up on the bathroom reno here. So this is the last vlog you're gonna see for this bathroom. So you can see we've got everything installed. Only thing we're missing right now is backsplash for here. We had originally thought we might use the same tile as we did in the shower, but when we put a piece up there we didn't like the look, so we're getting another piece of quartz to match the countertop cut 4 inches high. To go along there, so we're just waiting for that. But otherwise, toilet's in, everything else is in. You can see the shower here all completed, including the niche. And I think it turned out well, turning the niche on its side with the shape of the window and everything. I think that ended up looking quite good. So like I said, dual flush toilet. We've got all the cabinetry. We've got the medicine cabinet, lighting, everything, and as well as the heated floor, heated tile floor. That's really nice on the toes in the morning, and that's all controlled here with the thermostat. This one's programmable, so you can set it to come on and off when you want and heat up to what you want, so it saves some energy by not having to run all the time. So it's been a good project. It took us a while to do it with shooting all the videos that we shot, but I think overall real happy with the finished product, and as well with the amount of videos that we did get out of it. So, and hopefully also you enjoyed the vlog, just something we're trying here, see how it goes over. So like any other video, if you can click the little thumbs up on every one of the vlogs that you watch, let us know whether you like it, or the thumbs down, maybe you think it sucks. So let us know, give us some feedback. That's what we're looking for. Thanks a lot. I'm Shannon from houseimprovements.com, and we appreciate you watching.